Are you tired of manually hiding rows with blank cells in Excel? Introducing an efficient solution, auto-hide rows with VBA code. Follow these simple steps to implement this time-saving feature. Step 1. Right-click on the Sheet tab where you want to implement the auto-hide feature. Select View Code from the context menu to open the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window. Next, copy and paste the following code into the blank module. Step 2. Return to the worksheet where you've implemented the code. Now, when you double-click any cell and press Enter, rows containing blank cells in the specified column will be hidden instantly. Moreover, if you delete any cell content within the specified column, the corresponding rows will hide automatically. Experience seamless data management with the Auto-Hide Rows feature in Excel. Try it out today and streamline your workflow with ease.